Alright guys, so I know you've seen the FLOLAB tempered glass anti-glare screen protector on my channel before, and I actually am using that right now on my iPhone 15 Pro Max. But today we're looking at the FLOLAB Surtect cases as well as some other accessories. And a huge shout out to FLOLAB for sending these out to me to review for you guys, so thank you so much for that. Alright, so getting started with the cases. Here, like I said, this is the Surtect Tri-fusion MagSafe cases, and they're like clear cases. So this one is the black on black, this one is the black on clear, and this is the white on clear. So I have actually been using the black on black for a couple of days now, and let's take a look at the packaging. I'm not going to go over all of the packaging on all of the cases. We're going to just look at this one specifically right now, weigh it, see the size. They're the exact same case, just a little bit of different colors. Now, what's cool about this, and I know you saw that in the title, is these are probably some of the most customizable clear cases because of how many different camera ring and button colors you get. Now, we're going to take a look at a few of them here shortly, but there's a plethora of colors that you can choose from, whether you buy it directly from FLOLAB, right built into the case, or you can get them additionally for only a couple dollars. So let's take a look at the box. Now on the front it says Surtect. You get 13 feet or 3.9 meters of drop protection, 810G military standard, and on the back, it just kind of shows you a little bit about the case. You get your iPhone, you have your Tri-fusion, the 3-layer protection, the shock absorption side material, the MagSafe compatibility, and of course the removable camera ring and buttons. So you get the slim design, MagSafe compatible, and anti-slip, which is kind of one of the only issues I've had with this case, but we'll get into that in a little bit. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Now I did put it back in the packaging just for the video, but this is the black on black case. So let's go ahead and put the box over here to the side and let's take a look at the case itself. Then I'll show you guys, of course, the other two. So let's set these over here for now. Now on the back of it, as you can see, I have been using it for a couple of days, and the back does have a few scratches on it, but this is a clear case with just plasticky material, so that's kind of something you can expect. However, this does not scratch too badly, just a few minor scratches on here. You got to more worry about fingerprints than you do about scratches, but with fingerprints, you just kind of wipe it down real quick and you'll be good to go. So on the back here, we have our MagSafe ring and alignment magnet visible right there. Like I said, this tinted black plasticky material, and you have a plastic camera ring that is removable by just pushing this out, as well as the buttons, which we'll get to shortly. But the buttons you also just click out and you can set any of the other button colors in, as well as the camera ring. And taking a look at the inside, we have our MagSafe magnet with the alignment magnet, FLOLAB written right there, and this is just a little bit of information about it, the Tri-fusion technology, FLOLAB recycled material, all that fun stuff. Now on the inside is where you get your shock absorption material, that Tri-fusion material, and it goes all the way around the case, which is really nice, except, for the bottom. However, it's mainly open because of your port and your microphone and speaker cutouts, but you get that material all the way around, so you do get that 13 feet of drop protection. So let's go ahead and bring our scale over here. We'll weigh this, and like I said, the other two cases are the exact same case as this one, just different colors. They're the same size, same weight, everything is the same. So taking a look at how much this one weighs, we're looking at 41 grams, guys. It's not too heavy, especially for that great drop protection you're going to be getting with that Tri-fusion material. So 41 grams on this one. Let's go ahead and bring over our caliper and we'll measure how thick the case is. So looking at, we are in millimeters. Right here, we are looking at 11.7 millimeters from front to back, and the thickness of the case is 4.1 millimeters. So not too thick on either side, but again, just with that drop protection that you're getting, you can't really feel the weight of this case or the size of it too much. Now, I know there are some lighter cases out there, but they're not going to give you that drop protection that you get on here. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take our black titanium 15 Pro Max. We'll slap it in here. Let's see how that click is. Nice click onto the case right there. Very, very secure fit. Now, I am using FLOLAB's edge-to-edge screen protector, like I mentioned, and it works perfectly with these cases, which you would hope so, because FLOLAB makes the case and the screen protector. So we're good to go right there. Now, taking a look at the fit on here, it's a very, very tight fit. Of course, your buttons are going to be a little bit more so loose, Looking at the bottom, pretty tight, and the top is tight as well. So good fit on here. You definitely don't have to worry about this case coming off if you drop your phone. But let's listen to how those corners sound. Nice click there. 2, 3, and 4. Nice click onto those corners. Very good fit on here. Not loose at all. Very comfortable to hold. Good fit all around. Now, let's take a look at the sides of the case. Now, on the top of it, it is completely closed in. On the left-hand side, we have our action button, volume up and down, and a completely closed inside with a little bit of FLOLAB branding right there. So let's listen to how those buttons sound real quick. Nice clicky buttons. The only thing I wish with the buttons is if they were a little bit more pronounced, like a little more raised up, just because they're almost flush to the case. Now there is a little bit of raise on them, so it's not bad. You definitely don't have any accidental clicks, but I do like a little bit more prominent of a button. Now moving along to the bottom of the case, we have our accurate microphone and speaker cutouts, as well as a nice wide open USB Type-C port, which let's go ahead and bring over our cable here, plug this in. We are charging, and a very nice wide open USB Type-C port, so all of your thicker head cables will definitely fit in here with no issues. Now, another cool little feature I see here is if you guys see those little lines right there, one here and one there, those are actually lanyard loops. So they're not in the way and all ugly like on the sides and everything. They are right there, so if you are somebody who likes to use a lanyard, you can hook it on either side, or if you don't like to use one like I don't, you just have it this way and you can't even really tell what that is. So I really do like that. Now, FLOLAB does not include a lanyard, nor do they make one yet at the time of shooting this video. But if you have one from another manufacturer or one that you just like to use in general, you can put those on here or on there. And moving along to the right-hand side, it is completely closed in and you just get that power button right there. Now, let's check out how the MagSafe is on here. So let's go ahead and start off with our Apple MagSafe wallet. There we go. We get our animation right there, and you can kind of move it around a little bit, but if you give it a little bit of pressure, it will start to slip, but that's because this is a very smooth and slippery kind of clear back, and leather on top of these kind of clear backs don't always mesh too well, especially if the magnetic strength isn't as great like it's not on the Apple MagSafe wallet. Now, the magnets are pretty decent on this case. They could be a little bit stronger, but it is what it is, and we'll keep testing those. So moving along to the Apple MagSafe battery pack, attach that, nice click on it there, and our MagSafe animation, and we can give this a good little shake without it coming off. So it is pretty good MagSafe on here. Definitely don't have to worry about anything like this coming off, especially with that silicone back. You don't have to worry about that at all. And finally, moving along to our Anchor 623. Let's see how that's going to go. All right. So you can give it a little bit of a shake before that comes off. Not too much, but it'll definitely pick up the bass. And you won't really have too many issues unless, of course, you give it a little shake. And looking at our 360-degree rotation test, go ahead and sit here, type around on text messages or your emails, scroll through Twitter or Instagram, which, by the way, follow me, guys, at Brian's_tech on there. On Twitter, it's 2 underscores, but shameless plug, you know that. So, yeah, like I said, you know, you can sit here, type around, do whatever you want to do. Switch over to landscape mode, watch your favorite Brian's Tech video, click around on YouTube or any of your games that you play, whatever, and you'll have no issues with that. And, of course, you can sit here and rotate it with no problem at all. I did just pull that off, but we'll keep moving. So let's talk about all of the colors. So here we do have the Arctic White. We have the Midnight Black, which is the same color that's on here, by the way. And we have this Atomic Red. So right on here, you get a few different options. And by the way, this comes in a lot more options. So the colors of them, like I said, you do get these 3 just kind of cases. But with the colors, let's go ahead and fire those off real quick. You do have Midnight Black, you have Atomic Red, you have Arctic White, you have Blue Sapphire, Purple Haze, Orange Blaze, Pink Champagne, Hot Pink, Kiwi Green, and Cyber Yellow. So you have a ton of customizable options with colors, and you can order them directly from FLOLAB's website, so your case will actually come with the colors pre-installed, or you can buy any one of these kits which one of these kits is $4.95, but right now it's on sale on FLOLAB's website for $3.95, which you can load up on a couple of colors, be under 15 bucks, and you'll be good to go. So if you get sick of kind of how this looks, like for example, my two favorite colors are black and red, you can easily pop this one open and swap out the buttons. Now, I'm not gonna swap them out right now for the video, but all you have to do is you literally just click this out, and the buttons, you push them out as well, and these pop right back in from the inside. So super, super easy to adjust them or change them however you like, but that's kind of those options that you guys get with the camera rings and buttons. Now, they also do have MagSafe wallets, which we're going to take a look at in a second, but talking about this case a little bit more, the price on this one is $29.95 on sale right now, or original price $39.95. Now, I've been going on FLOLAB's website for a while. When I originally got their first screen protector, I bought it actually myself, and all of these items have been on sale. So FLOLAB is always running sales on their websites, which is great to save you guys some money. That's awesome. But not a bad price on this one at all, guys. So let's actually go ahead and open these other ones, which I haven't used the other ones yet, but I have opened them up just to take a look, make sure everything is the same. And in order to do that, you just kind of open this up. I'm having a little bit of difficulty. There we go. All right, so here we are looking at the clear black. So you have the black edges and camera ring and buttons, which of course you can get these in any of those same colors right there, as well as all the other colors I listed off. But this is the clear black one. And here we have the clear white one. So let me go ahead and pop this one open for you guys. All right. And here we have the clear white. So same shock absorption technology in all of these. Just like I said, they're the exact same size, exact same weight. Everything is identical for these cases, even the price, all of that. They're just look a little bit different. So here's what you're looking at with the black on black, the black clear, and the white clear. So really nice to have all of those options, as well as all the different camera ring options and the button options. But one more thing, like I said, that they have is that they have MagSafe wallets. So right now I have the same, here's a black one, I have the white one, and I also have this red one, which we're gonna open in a second. But I wanna talk about these, which are really, really cool actually. So of course on the back, you do have your MagSafe magnet as well as your alignment magnet, which let's see how these are on the case itself. There we go. Of course, you're not going to get any animation because it's not Apple's, but these are going to have a little bit better magnet strength because they have the plastic back right there instead of that leather one. But what's also really cool is you see right here, it does say press. So if you press right here, it pops up and it works as a kickstand. So then you guys can set your phone just like this. Now, of course, it's a little bit flimsier because it is rubber, but if you're sitting down and watching a video in portrait mode, or you can even use it in landscape mode, that's great. You have your MagSafe wallet right there, your couple of cards in there, and you're good to go. And whenever you're done, you just push this back down, and there you go. It's right back. Press that to open it up, and click it right back when you're done. Super, super convenient. Now, let's see how a card will actually fit in here. Now, I don't actually have any real cards, but I'm going to use this little insert from here. And what you can do is you can just push that right into here. Now it is a little bit tight, so you may only be able to fit 1 or 2 cards in here, but you get a nice, easy little convenient window that you can just kind of push your card out of. And I'm having a little bit of difficulty with that. Now these are a little bit difficult to get out, so that is something that you have to note. Maybe it's because this one's like paper, and if you take a real card, it'll be a little bit easier, but I'm having a little bit of a struggle getting this one out of here, which, by the way, this is not actually a place where you can put your finger in. This is a plastic window that I just noticed, so you can kind of see what cards you have there. But as long as you're able to get something out, which usually debit cards are plasticky and they're definitely a little bit more slippery than this paper cardboard insert is. But whatever you do, you can definitely stick in 1, maybe 2 cards in here, just kind of your ID and your credit card, and keep going. So this one does come in black, it comes in white, and it also comes in this atomic red, as well as all of those other colors I listed off. So you can easily have your color matched cases right here, just like this, where you have the camera rings matching the buttons, matching the wallet. Everything can be completely uniform. All of the things come in all of the colors. But To unbox this and just kind of show you guys how it is, you just pop this open right here. You pull out your MagSafe wallet, and it also comes with a cleaning wipe. So you have this additional MagSafe ring. So if you have something that does not have MagSafe built in, you can add an additional MagSafe ring right there. Just use this to wipe out the back of the case, stick that MagSafe ring on, and you can use all of your MagSafe accessories. And of course, you do have the red wallet with the same kickstand, just like the other ones. So the wallets are $19.95 each. However, they are on sale right now for $14.95. So under 15 bucks, you can get a MagSafe wallet, and acts like a kickstand. You can put a card in there. It's pretty nice. I definitely like this a lot, especially for the kickstand feature. That's very convenient that you don't even feel that when it's on there, but when you need it, you pop it out, set your phone down like this or like that, and you're good to go. Now, the only gripe that I have with the cases, like I said before, is that they're a little bit slippery. FLOLAB, if you guys are listening, I'd really like to see that a little bit of grip added here, or maybe make this texture a little bit more rubbery so it adds a little more grip, especially because the back is completely clear. It does make it a hair more slippery than I would like to see. So I would definitely like to see a little bit of grip added here, or that material be changed. But with all that being said, guys, let me know what you think about these in the comments below. Have you ever tried FLOLAB's cases before? Have you ever used anything from FLOLAB? Their screen protectors, their cases, MagSafe wallets? Let me know down below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. If you're interested in seeing that screen protector, which is my favorite screen protector right now for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, I'll leave that installation video right there. And if you're interested in another great protective case, I'll leave that right there.